beg you the name. Where are they? Bring the groceries out. No, I didn't keep them. Yes, I know. Bring them out. You can't trust us. Take it easy. Hey, look at my thing. You're damaging my back. Take it easy now. I've been patient for you. Huh? Get the things out. And
I'm on my knees.
Look, next week I beg you. Next week, honey, next week, right? Yes, next week. Get the money. No, there's no place for you. Where are we going to go? We don't have a place to go to. No place, please. I will be here for a couple of days. You cannot push us out. No. Stop. Where are they? We want us to hold the TV and the police. Bring everything out. I beg you. Honey, yes. She's stealing. Bring everything. No. She's stealing. Bring for the TV, everything. Inside. She's stealing the house. No, please, I beg you. She's stealing. Look at my wife. She's pregnant. Please, I beg you. Please. If not for me, for my mom, baby.
Is that why you almost meet up with security? Okay, see me. This is part of the challenges you encounter in life as a man. Your landlord will throw you out. Police will arrest you sometimes. You fight on the street. When that was in Nigeria, and this kind of thing happen and you come here and be disturbing me. You're the man. So what have you done? This is how you answer questions. So, where's the money? Where can you then option B, you go to your friends, ask your friends to help you out. How they go? Pay for another the apartment, simple. Just them and you know.
How can I have someone like you and then I'm making my friends for money? At least I can stay there with my pregnant wife. Better still, you can give me your boss quarters.
We want to turn around, but it not be like this. We want to turn around, but it not be like this.
It has finally happened.
What happened?
Our landlord has finally sent us packing.
Oh my God. So this man cannot have patience with you and your husband again?
He has tried. We have been pleading with him since this year. He has been showing mercy. He has tried.
I know, my sister. So what is your husband doing about it?
He has gone to meet his wicked rich brother. But I doubt if he's going to come back with anything.
What is wrong with that man, sir?
I suspect he's into money withdrawals. That is why he has bluntly refused to make a vote.
Even his mother is complaining bitterly.
Can you imagine? How wicked!
Name. I am not here for my husband's brother. I've only come to ask for a little help from you. I need more cash. Let me see if I can get a house where I can sleep. I cannot afford to sleep in the cold with this air condition. Even if it's a thatched roof house, let me just sleep. I cannot sleep in the cold with my condition. Pico. Please.
Come on, Mama. I would have loved to help you, but our salaries have not been paid. I thought my boss would pay us yesterday, being the end of the month. But he said we should wait till next week, Thursday.
Next week? What do I do? Fuji, my sister, please. I beg you, help me. Just look for who to borrow from. You'll pay the person back. Just pity my condition.
Ne, you know how hard the country is right now. Nobody agrees to having money. Nobody. Just be patient till next week Thursday. Or you can go back to the village and stay for some time. While your husband hangs around and look for where you can stay. When he gets where you stay, then you can come back. Right now I don't have money.
There's no way you could help me. I don't know. Just help me. I cannot go back to the village. Be cool.
Okay, you can be patient till next week Thursday. It's okay. Don't worry. God knows everything. Oh? It's alright.
Romance life, I say they be. 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 Ebela mapua, wabe. Ebela mapua, wabe.
I came to see to beg my brother for financial assistance, and as usual, he turned me down. It is bad. Very, very bad. As a matter of fact, it has become worse. My pregnant wife and I had shown up for apartment. I came to me to beg to give me money to pay for the apartment, but he denied ever having any money. I begged him so we can stay at his boss quarters. He refused.
please.
Romance life, I say baby. 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 Ebela mafua, wame, wame. Ebela mafua, wame, wame. Every day struggle. Every day suffer. Every day plenty wahala just to survive. This life will make me fail. This life will make me fail.
Honey? Nkem? Honey? Nkem? Honey? Nkem?
Something bad has happened to your wife. Something bad has happened to your wife.
My wife?
Yes.
Where?
Go with me. Go with me, Chesana. Go with me.
Mr. Favor on the microphone.
Actually, I'm physical. You make me feel less from spiritual. Psychologically, mentally, criminally, original and natural. Nigerian Iyke, baby, shaking your hips. Indomie is magical. Come closer, let me kiss it at your lips. Musically, I'm radical. She said, Baya, baya, baya. Baya, 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 baya. Baya, baya, baya. Baya, 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 baya. She said, Baya, baya, baya. Baya, 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 baya. Baya, baya, baya. Baya, 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 baya. Number one, champion. Number one, number one, champion. Number one, baby, you are right. Your package is tight. You want a man that will forever do you right. And maybe your left, just push me to your right. No need to fight, just switch up the light. I wanna be your one, you're only number one. You're number one, you're very number one. Take a look at you, girl, I know you when you win. Get close again, you want a million, you want. Let's kill our vocalize from two different galaxies. Tell me what you want, it's like a terror for what you wear. I'm not the one you should refer to as everyone. Someone, another one is either me or no one. Actually, I'm physical. You make me feel less from spiritual. Psychologically, mentally, criminally, original and natural. Nigerian Iyke, baby, shaking your hips. Indomie, magical. Come closer, let me kiss it at your lips. Musically, I'm radical. She said, mathematically, vertically, majestically. The front and back
side is fantastically. Baby mama, practically. The dance like chichadi, popularly. She said, baya, baya, baya. Baya, 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 baya. Baya, baya, baya. Baya, 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 baya. Baya, baya, baya. Baya, 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 baya. Baya, baya, baya.
I'm sorry, I can't carry on with any surgery on your wife if you cannot meet the deposit amount.
Doctor, please, I beg you in the name of God. I beg you, please. Go ahead with this surgery. Please, I beg you. I love my wife. I don't want to lose her. She's all I have. She's carrying my baby. Please, doctor. Okay. As a matter of fact, my younger brother is well. I promise you. If I don't pay, my younger brother is going to fool the bill. Please, I beg you.
I'm sorry. I've heard this from a lot of people and they end up disappointing us. Look, the longer you delay this money, the less the chances your wife have in making it out of the surgery alive.
150,000 naira in 2 months now. It's just part payment you're talking about. 150,000 naira. I have challenges right now. I was just thrown out of my house this morning. Help me in any way you can.
Please, I have other patients to attend to. In case you want to transfer her to another hospital, you are very free. So, I'm sorry.
Thomas life, now say they be. Thomas life, now say they be. Thomas life, now say they be.
After you left my house. What have you asked? Let me put that 50,000 naira. Yeah, to do what? They went to all surgery capturing me and they do want to operate on her. It's not a small accident that they will just patch up and she will leave. 150,000. Just why you were a problem. Honestly, you were a problem. You know your condition, what did you do? Why will you take her to a hospital that will cost you 150,000 naira? Why? When there are government hospitals, health centers where you take her to a mobility, you take care of her, you go with her. Why?
So you could watch the things
So, talking to my brother now, I'm wasting time. Right? If you let me talk, get out. Seriously, you have a serious problem. What is wrong with you? Are you living a fake life? Where do you go? You don't have money, it's simple. Why take your wife to an expensive hospital that you cannot afford? Why? Now, but you're not seeing some sympathizers. Okay, fine. When you got there and you realized that sympathizers took her to an expensive hospital, why didn't you take her out of there? Okay, and I handling the bill. Why? Better still, you would have called back those sympathizers for sympathizers because they would have been able to pay that big hospital bill, sympathizers. Why? I mean, come on. You allow the sympathizers to take an account for her. Sympathizers called you, I don't know, I'm going to tell them. Or sympathizers only at their also. But you didn't. Now it's on me. Honestly, I just can't get it. What I'll advise you to do, bring your wife there, let her stay there. Start heading to the village right now to find out what is wrong with you. Believe me, you know there is drama. Or we let you in the village, ask them after the first thing. What am I even saying? Let you say. Tell me the truth. Man to man, your wife is done here. Do you belong to any brother? You know sexually? Tell me. Serious problem. I mean, why will you take your wife to a place and have that amount of money? So this is just deposit. And when you have issues like this after me, my house shouldn't be the first place you go to. It is wrong. Even on the problem, our first thing, we are going to be on the immediate constitution. Thinking about our social provision there, you talk to them. And at one time, you put it together, you get somewhere on top of your immediate constituency. Stop coming to my house and you don't go home. It's wrong.
We want to turn around, but it not be like this. We want to turn around, but it not be like this.
Yo, this is all I could get. You know things are hard this period. This is all I could come up with.
Thank you very much. Thank you, I really appreciate it. May God bless you real good. I'll see other of my friends to know how much I'll raise more. Thank you.
It's so sad to know that you have a rich brother who doesn't care about you, but is busy donating to charity. Hi.
My brother, what can I do? I've accepted my fate. I don't know why things are like this, but I'm trying so hard to forget about it.
It needs to be forgotten. It's not a brother, but a sadist. Don't worry, my brother. God will help you, okay?
It's okay. Thank you. Please. Have to look after my property, okay? Alright, thank you.
Every day struggle. Every day suffer. Every day plenty wahala. Just to survive this life. When men be fair, this life. When men be fair, this world is a mystery. Not be how you plan and be baby. What's your dear?
What's going on?
I'm leaving.
Leaving?
Yes.
On vacation?
Vacation? I am leaving this house. In fact, I'm leaving this marriage. I'm tired of your wickedness towards your family. People are already talking that I'm the one influencing your wickedness towards your family, and I'm tired of hearing them. I'm leaving this house for good.
You want to leave me?
Yes, I'm leaving.
You seriously want to leave?
Can't you see me packing? Oh, don't even go there. Your plea can't stop me. It won't. Don't even try it.
Okay. Hold on. Just go through it carefully. Then you know how ready you are to leave.
What is the meaning of this?
Names. Figures. Go through it. You see, names of your family members. With all the money I've given to each and every one of them. Listed here. Total. Over 10 million naira. So if you want to leave, fine. But first you will give me the sum of 20 million naira. Is that clear? Yes, because it's an investment. You make investments, you get returns. 20 million naira, do a transfer into my phone, then you can leave.
I don't understand. I'm not getting it. Am I dreaming? You mean you've been keeping record of the money you've been giving to your in-laws?
You have no idea who you've been living with. Madam, I suffered to make my money. You hear me? Nobody takes my money and goes scot-free. It's not possible. Not while I'm alive. You hear? You want to leave? Fine. But every kobo that I've ever given to all your family members, you give it back to me. Total 20 million naira. Wire it to my account. Then you can go.
You monster. You're wicked. You're just too mean.
We're waiting for you downstairs.
We want to turn around, but it not be like this. We want to turn around, but it not be like this. We want to turn around, but it not be like this. We want to turn around, but it not be like this.
I'm looking for my brother-in-law. He has a pregnant wife and was just thrown out of his apartment today.
You mean Echezona?
Yes, Echezona.
Oh, his wife had an accident and he rushed her to the hospital. He should be there.
Okay, that's why I'm here. Please, do you know the hospital that he took his wife to?
And who are you?
I'm Emily. Like I said, he's my brother-in-law. I'm married to his brother, Dubem.
You mean Dubem the millionaire?
Yes.
So it has been you all this while. You made your husband not to take care of his brother. Look at his load outside.
I don't understand.
Don't pretend as if you don't understand what I'm talking about. You encouraged your husband not to help his brother that sacrificed so much for him. Don't worry. God will judge you.
Our advice, don't say what you don't know. And please, how can I locate the hospital I can take his wife to?
Mama's life, I say baby. 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 Ebela mabua, wabe, wabe. Ebela mabua, wabe, wabe. Every day struggle. Every day suffer. Every day plenty wahala just to survive. This life will make me fail. This life will make me fail. This world is a mystery. Not be how you plan them. Be baby. Akwaku wasi abia. Mama's life, I say baby. Mama's life, I say baby. poor man's life. And so it may be. Poor man's life. And so it may be. Ebele mabula, wabe, wabe. Ebele mabula, wabe, wabe. When you hustle to make 'em, and you hustle, you will not make 'em. No come kill yourself. God has plan for you. Uche chukwa, yakama. Abuche Jehovah, yakama. Ebinelu uche chukwa, yakama. Uche Jehovah, abuche Jehovah. Yakama, uche chukwa, yakama. Uche Jehovah, abuche Jehovah, yakama. Amweka wunta sitayi na Jesse wanlemo, yakama. Jehovah shana, abuche Jehovah, yakama. Mama's life, and say they be. Mama's life, and say they be. Mama's life.
So if my mother wants to drive a car, then at least I went to it. So, you know what they say about divorce? You know, it's not like us. Divorce marks seriously right now. That Naja is the one who has divorce right now. Yes, because if you keep giving and giving and giving, after a while you look back and you don't want to pay your account. But when money comes, you lock it up, that is your rich. Bad prayers for them doesn't get to them, they keep rising. Tomorrow, today,
Ezego Jipakashi, because no one the capacity.
You are the Lord, the healer thee. You are the Lord, how healer. You sent your word and heal our disease. You are the Lord, the healer. Father, thank you. Honey? Jesus. Oh my God. Honey, you're in the hospital. You had an accident. Some sympathizers brought you here.
My head hurts.
Sorry, honey. You'll be fine. I am trying my best. Doctor said I should make a deposit of 150,000 naira. I don't have that kind of money, and I have tried meeting one or two persons to raise the money. So I came to see the doctor to know if he can collect a little. I haven't commenced the surgery, but don't worry, everything will be fine. Okay? Look at him, man. Oh?
Sorry, Papa.
Stop crying. When you cry, it melts my heart. Yes, I want to see him. And as usual, he refused to assist me. But don't worry. We're going to make it. Everything will fall in place, okay? I love you so much. And you know I do love you. I love you. I wish we make it, and you're gonna have our baby. We're gonna be together as one family, because I know hand in hand you and I will cross the hurdles of life together. Because I'm sorry, you'll be fine. Okay? I know things will be, honey. Be strong, honey. Be strong. It's okay. Doctor! Doctor, how is she? I'm sorry. Sorry about what? Doctor! Honey, no. You can't do this to me, honey. You know I love you, right? You know I love you. Honey, you know you and I can make it. Honey, you can't leave me. Who am I going to be with? Who's going to be with me? Who's going to be my wife? Honey? No! You can't do this to me, honey. No!
We want to turn around, but not be like this. We want to turn around, but not be like this. We want to turn around, but not be like this. We want to turn around, but not be like this. Ezego Jipakashi, because no one the capacity. Ezego Butegi, because no one moral. Dube mujipedo Jai Magane Mezina Mili Obalo Malaysia Because no one the capacity Esege Butegike Because no one moral We want to turn around, but not be like this. We want to turn around, but not be like this. We want to turn around, but not be like this. We want to turn around, but not be like this. Esego jipakashi because no one the capacity. Esego butegike because no one moral. Dube mujipedo Jai Magane Mezina Mili Obalo Malaysia because no one the capacity. Esego butegike. I'm not the one.
Mama,
how are you?
This is 5,000 naira. You told me you needed 15,000 naira for your handouts. Yes, Mama. Hold this 5,000. Before the week runs out, I will see how I can raise the remaining 10,000 and give you. Okay?
Thank you so much. But Mama, how come with this money?
I had a friend was owing me, so she just paid me the money.
Mama, don't tell me you've gone to work at someone's farm just to get this money for me. Eh? Mama, what is this now?
If I did it, how will I raise this money? I don't have any other thing to do. Nothing.
Mama, how many times have I told you to stop working for people in their farmlands? But you wouldn't listen to me. Mama, you should have told me about the work. At least I would have gone to do it myself. Mama, you're no longer a youth. You're old. Brother, what happened?
What is it? Get it for
Mom, I'm finished.
No, you're not, Master. You're not. You can't be finished.
Finished?
Brother.
You're not finished. Oh.
What am I living for?
No. You have reasons to live.
Brother, what happened?
You have reasons to live. What is it?
What's the problem?
Okay, also.
My wife? My wife and my born child are dead, Mama.
Hey! Hey!
want to turn around, but not be like this. We want to turn around, but not be like this.
You're highly welcome. It's good having you here.
Yes.
You know, without the support of men of goodwill like you in this parish, I wonder what it would have become of us. Thank you.
It's alright. It's nothing. Okay, Father. Alright. I've done the transfer to the church account.
Oh, really?
10 million naira.
Wow, that's awesome. Oh, bow down, let me pray for you. In the name of the Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. May the peace of the Lord be with you. In Jesus' name.
Amen.
That reminds me, Ezego, I'm so sorry for the pass away of your brother's wife. Accept my sympathy.
Nukwalo, man, honestly. Nukwalo. I just came into the village, so I'll see my people, so we can discuss her burial.
Oh, really? You mean you've not gone to see your mother yet?
No, not yet. I decided to stop here first to see you and do God's work.
Wow. All right. Safe journey.
Because no one the capacity. Because no one moral. Dube mujipedo. Jai magane mezina mili. Obalo Malaysia. Because no one the capacity.
Crying will not bring happy. Okay? Can't blame anybody. If you keep crying like this, it will look as if there's no hope. While there's hope, what? You have me, your own son, Ezego. I'm here, so it means there's hope. And I want to promise you, as long as I'm alive, this family will never ever be put to shame. Okay? For no reason. So please stop crying. One day, it has happened. Okay? Be a man. God gives and God takes. He has his reasons. So just control. I'm here now. My brother Ezego is here. I came back so I can give your wife a befitting burial. The kind of burial that has never ever been seen or heard of in this community. You see what will happen on that day.
Don't you ever Don't you?
Hey, I'm okay. How dare you insult my wife? Huh?
I will insult her again and again. This bitch has been the very thing preventing you from taking care of your own family. Yes, her child has a strong hold on you, and that's why you failed to take care of Brother Ichezona's wife.
Enough. You hear me? Enough. Don't touch my wife again. Allow her to do what she wants to do. Carry on.
I have no hand in what Amoge is talking about, Mama. Mama, God knows I've been pressuring my husband to help his own brother, but he never listens to me.
Liar! Liar! You see you, eh?
Enough. Come on, sit down.
Brother, leave me alone. Let me deal with her.
You have made your point, Mama, right? Sit. Enough, that's it. Listen, I'm not here to find out who is right or who is wrong, okay? Neither am I here to check what I did and what I did not do. Huh? I'm a very busy man, very busy businessman, you all know. I have a lot of things I'm doing in the city. But I left all those things to come down here because of the love, genuine love that I have for my brother, okay? I want to give his wife who died with her unborn child, I want to give her a befitting burial. One Nkechi Nweje, how do you want it?
I want to especially thank you for taking out time from your tight schedule to be here. Thank you. God bless you. I've had what you said, but I'm not interested.
I don't understand. You're not interested in what?
I am not interested in you helping me to bury my wife. I don't need crowd. Neither do I need musical band. I want to bury my wife in a very quiet way, so that her soul will find peace in the bosom of Almighty God.
Just leave really her. If I allow you to do this thing the way you want to do it, your wife's soul will never find peace. Believe me, she will be unhappy with you because you did not bury her well. Fine, you want a peaceful, quiet, you don't want crowd. You want to go simple. But I have the money to do it. If I allow you to do it this way, the shame will not even be on you. I want to get it again. The shame will be on me because I have money, you don't. So allow me. I want to engage the services of professional undertakers to handle everything. And then my friends, very rich friends in Dinko, they will come in here from all parts of the world. Come here and agitate this village, make us in a very nasty way. Don't you want them?
Thanks for your concern. But no.
Echeson, it's almost 4 p.m. You need to go and see the Reverend Father as regards to the date of your wife's burial.
Yes, let me do that immediately, Mama. Let me do that immediately.
It will be on record that I offered to help. He refused. Mama, get me something to eat,
I hope you are hearing what I am saying.
I heard you, Mama. But I'm not promising anything.
What do you mean by you're not promising anything?
It's very simple. Some like a business now. Business are that off. Now it doesn't support businesses. No. Everywhere we go see right now. Again, most important, let me tell you my problem with Echesona. If Echesona brings one more. Believe me, he's not a good person. Anytime Echesona is doing well, anytime he has some money in his pocket, he will never ever call me. Never. He will never pick up his phone to call me and ask me how I'm doing. But the moment my phone rings, on my phone, it's only one thing and only one thing. He needs money. The moment he needs money, he'll start calling me. Or the man. So check it. The money you see me spend, the cars, the mansion, it didn't have when I go back. I'm a businessman.
Please, save those lies to yourself. Oh? Keep those lies to yourself. Why are you lying to me? Because I give you 1 year to set up a business for your younger brother. Start up a business for him. Is this too much for you, a thing for you to do? Give him money. Help him. I'm not talking about myself. You know one nigga. What is all this?
When I was hustling, did he set up any business for me? Huh? If he had set up a business for me, would I be complaining? Get the whole melon when I was hustling.
He helped you.
Mama, again, I give you money monthly.
You say?
I give you money monthly.
You give me money monthly? 5,000. 5,000 naira. You don't even go up to 1 week for me. How much more your little sister that you left for me to cater for? 5,000. If they ask you whether you're giving your mother money, you say yes. 5,000 naira, that doesn't even go up to 1 or 2 weeks for me. How much more your little sister that you left for me to cater for? I am not talking about myself, Diko. Help your brother. Leave me.
You have to be grateful. Huh? Try to be grateful. 5,000 is a lot of money. There are people out there who, if I give it to, they will be very grateful. And if 5,000 naira cannot last up to a week or 2 weeks, it's very simple. In a Lego can be. Like I work hard to make this money. Slow down. Business is tough. I'm not powerful. It's not easy.
You promised us that you do not want this family to be put to shame. Is that not what you said? This is the time for you to prove to people that for real you don't want this family to be put to shame. Yeah? You don't know your brother, Aka. Assist him. Do you know that I go from house to house to do menial jobs and even farm for people to earn small money for food? Yes, I farm from house to house.
You farm, Mama? Hey. Kevin Epuzi. Oh, Makan.
Bogene?
Yes. You don't have a problem. It shows that you are keeping fit. It's a form of exercise. You're not born fat.
At my age.
This year for one sharp. It's good.
What am I doing with the sharpness? Come on.
You might Bill Gates.
Why you Bill Gates?
Papa Nkon like me. Yes. He's 63. He's boy Enko. Every morning on is a form of exercise or the other to keep himself fit.
Through farming.
He doesn't farm, but no one can
You help me, but not going from house to house to farm. No, I am your mother. Make it easy for me. Make it easy for me.
Romance life, I say they be. 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 Ebela mabua, wame, wame. Ebela mabua, wame, wame. Every day struggle. Every day suffer. Every day plenty wahala. Just to survive this life. Will make me fail. This life will make me fail. This was.
Hey! Hey!
Did you stop shouting now?
Did you say Malaysia?
Stop shouting. If you keep shouting now, somebody's going to hear you and go and tell Mama. I don't want her to know yet. Relax.
Wait a minute. Were you planning to travel to Malaysia without letting her know?
At least not yet. Not yet. I'll tell you why. The person who's supposed to take me to Malaysia, Juma, you know him now. People are still questioning his source of wealth. So I don't want anybody to... People will find out now and discourage me. Okay, paying it maybe.
Fine. Talking about Chukuma guy, I'm scared of that guy as well. You know, people in the... People are saying that the guy will not go.
No, he's not a ritualist. I know Chuma very well. I know his source of wealth. Drugs. That's what he does. Drugs.
Then, how do you feel that common drugs, paracetamol and Panadol, can give that kind of money?
Just listen to yourself. Listen to you. If I like them, you know to know clearly. Did I tell you it's paracetamol and Panadol? You couldn't do that anyway. Paracetamol and Panadol cannot give anybody that kind of money that Chukuma has. Chukuma has into cocaine. What could buy? He even told me, he said once we get to Malaysia, he will link me to everybody, all the people who do drugs in Malaysia. Show me all the avenues, link everywhere where I'll be selling. According to him, in a few months, once I enter street, by the time I come back, guess the title that I'll take.
What's the title? Anyway, I pray let it work as he said.
Amen. It will work. Me, I've already prayed. I know that God has answered my prayer. So as my own brother, I need you to keep praying for me. You understand? Pray. Tell God to keep this your brother safe. You understand? So even when I enter the streets, let God be taking care of me. Protect me. Makeke Bulum is all over for us. Our family will just go. Don't worry. We'll see what will happen.
I will be praying for you. But the bottom line is this. You don't have money. Did you run? Our mother doesn't have money. So where do you expect us to get the money from? Or did he promise to sponsor you?
No. He said he will not sponsor me. Yes, he said if I want to show him that I'm serious, I have to raise the money myself. So I need to raise 1 million naira.
What?
Give it a meddy. Stop shouting now. Don't worry. I have plans. Plans on how to raise the 1 million naira. Once I raise it, I'll give it to him. I know everything will work out. I'll travel. By the time I come back, Any property I see in this village, I buy. Yeah, from now. Don't you trust me again? Now one nigga more BJ Butego. He get more capacity one day. Now I say gonna allow say DJ Bulalo say one day Bulalo say Chakasanya Butego one day.
Ogaso. Kaje will go one book. One day you can't continue this way. You can't, else my mind is going to find out.
Hey, why me? Eh? Why me? Why me? Why me? My 1 million naira, just like that, gone. Hey.
So take that out of your mind because nobody ever believes that Chukuma Vonye Wayo.
One name with Chukuma. Now with Chukuma. If I see Chukuma right now, I set my eyes on him, I will kill Chukuma.
Bring down your voice, please. Bring down your voice for someone will hear you. You're talking about killing?
Yes.
Why would you say such a thing?
Why won't I kill him? Eh? When he has destroyed my future. How else will I make it now? Bulego now like that. Destroyed he wrecked it. Why won't I kill him?
Dubem, no one can destroy your future. As long as God lives, your future is still intact. We have faith that nobody can destroy you. Even Chukuma cannot destroy your future. You will still make it.
How now? From where? From where?
One day, I forgot to tell you. Finally, my master settled me with 100,000 naira.
Only. Hey! After serving him for 4 years, 4 good years, all he gave you was 100,000 naira. When do be 10 million? Believe me, see this life, some people will never make heaven. Hey!
But you know what? I will give you the 100,000 naira. Yes, I want you to start hustling with the money. Yes.
No. I can't take it. You also need money. You also need money. You need to start doing your own business. Don't worry, just hold on to it down now.
I know I need it, but I have it in you.
Actually, what is going on here?
Mama.
Nothing.
Mama, where up? No.
Oh.
No. Like I was saying.
I said,
Let me kill myself. No, Mama. Let me hurt myself.
No, Mama, you cannot.
Let me die. Let me try and let me hurt myself.
Mama, you can't.
I
Mama, hold on.
Mama, wait. Let me die.
Leave it. Please. Mama, sit down. Mama, sit. Mama, sit.
She wants to hang herself.
What for, Mama? What is it, Mama?
Just let me die. What am I living for? My son is missing, and nobody is saying or doing anything about it. For 3 months now, I have not set my eyes on my son. I have not heard anything about him. He asked me to take it easy. Let me just give myself a chance.
But take out your hair.
Mama, listen to me, Mama. Your son is fine. Nothing is wrong with him. He's okay. He's healthy.
Where is he? Can I bother? Where is he? Show me. Let me go and meet him. Hey, my enemies have killed me.
Mama.
They have killed my son. Oh, let me die and follow him.
No, Mama, you can't. You can't.
Hey!
You know I can't lie to you, Mama. I can't lie to you. Your son is fine. Dubemi is okay. Nothing happened to him.
Let me see him. Where is he? Where is he?
Mama, you want to know the truth, right? Mama, your son then traveled to Malaysia.
Jesus Christ.
Yes. And
is this a joke?
No, it's not a joke.
Is this a joke? What kind of nonsense?
From Malaysia, he moved down to America.
Hey! What America, Jello? They've killed him.
No.
Brother,
they have killed him in Malaysia.
Brother Eche, you sound more convincing. How are you sure about this?
Hey!
Because I know where he is. But Mama, don't worry, he'll be back in a couple of
What
minutes.
kind of joke is this? They have killed him in Malaysia.
No, Mama, they have not.
Mama, it's fine. Nothing happened to him. Mama, believe me. Mama, no. Mama,
let me kill myself.
Let
me kill myself. Where is he?
Mama, you will see.
Can I go to bed now? I need to see him. They kill people like fowls in Malaysia or in America. I don't even know what I'm saying.
Mama, it's okay.
Dubem one them dubem onyego. Onyego dubem one them. Ego nelubelo gizi.
One I prefer Ezego. Yes. You know why? Because that's the title I'm going to take very soon. Ezego.
As a matter of fact, you shall not yet married. This is the title I meant for those that are married.
Oh, you're right. Oh, by the way, I heard you're married now. This is why you didn't even tell me.
You know, Nigeria with this network problem. I called, but it didn't connect. I got this fine, beautiful, hardworking girl I met in Asaba. You know what I started liking ourselves. From likeness, it developed to love. From love, you know, Chokatobele go to my business, no?
Okay, that's good news. So, what does she do for a living? What's it? Didn't you hear me?
My wife. My wife now is bombo. Hard-working lady. As you went there, dedicate California men no job me and I was bombo. But I want to clear. Hi. Now I know Maluma not minding her beautifulness if you call now bombo. But I go, as a matter of fact, my wife is a seamstress.
What's your problem? You mean you couldn't find a graduate? Somebody who is learned, be intelligent, who will help you, support you so you can stand on your own. You couldn't find that kind of person to marry. Or below a seamstress. What is going to go for you to be a man? Is it possible? Fine for you. Anyway, that's your problem. Me? I'll marry a well-educated girl. Classic. Man or woman. Sharp. You understand? Not to a man or daba money. Somebody who will support me. What a people to operate
How is my good friend Azubike?
We got to Malaysia. Azubike started having problems with some people he borrowed money from. Next thing, they teamed up, ganged up against him. And they killed him.
Jesus. You mean to say that Azubike is dead?
I'm speaking with you, Azubike, not 6 feet down.
Oh.
After Azubike died, life became so hard for me in Malaysia. Now for one man, I'm telling you, I suffered. Malaysia, everybody wants to go to Malaysia. Now in the buy na Malaysia. I'm telling you, it's not easy. They go through a lot. They do all sorts of things that you cannot imagine just to make money. At a point, I had nowhere to run to, nobody. I started calling on God to help me. Yeah? And in His infinite wisdom and mercy and kindness, He sent me somebody, a white man. His name Mado. He came there and he took me out of the dungeon where I was, gave me a good job in a bottling company. We say before I knew it,
Hey, the BEM. Talking about Kochi. Now came back to what I was talking with you before. Assist your brother. You don't want to get you know, assist your brother.
Tell you what I'll do for you. I'll support you, help you, so you can travel to Malaysia. You travel to Malaysia, huh? You get there, you make your own money, just the way I made mine, so you can spend it however you want.
To them, look at me very well. At my age, I'm your elder brother. How do you expect me to travel to Malaysia at this age? Given Jimmy Baf.
How old are you? Your age, okay? It's very simple. When you want to live by age, we'll understand. You want to live up, Your age. How old are you up to 50? Can you low down? Statistics, data, history. Have you heard of KFC? Kentucky Fried Chicken. You go back here.
No.
The man who went KFC. He did all sorts of things on what on Kekweba. Until he got to his 60s. That was when he started making money from KFC. Made so much money, became a billionaire. The whole world knows him. In his 60s. So what's my point? Get up. Go to Malaysia. Make your own money.
Honey, I think you should go.
Honey? obviously you were not listening to what I've been saying all this while. I said I won't go there. I don't like the kind of things they do there.
What is happening there that you don't like?
All manner of illicit business. Look, I know my kind of person. I can fit in there. I can do what is there. That's why I supported them to go. And now he has gone there. I'm back and succeeded. I expected him to support me financially and to help my business to grow.
But he offered to help you. I don't see anything wrong with that.
Really? If you don't see anything wrong with that, absolutely, you won't see anything wrong with me dying and you becoming a widow.
God forbid. Don't say that.
What is the point? Telling you that my spirit is not accordance with that and you're pushing me to go.
I'm not pushing you. It's just that that's the only help he offered you. I don't know. It's just that the way things are going hard on us, I don't like it. You just need to do something about it.
If that is the only help he can offer, then you should keep it. I don't have the mind. I can't do what they do there. Stop being this romantic. Don't use your seductive eye to seduce me to accept doing it. I won't do it.
Welcome to my home. Huh? Hey! Take a look. Hey! Sit down. Make yourself comfortable.
Thank you.
This is where I live. Hey! Yeah.
Hey!
Hey! This place is beautiful. Hey, even the chair.
You like it?
I love the chair. Hey, the chair looks like an imported chair.
Oh yes. Everything you see in here, all imported, all the way from Malaysia.
Hey, Odogu, Ezego. I am marveled by what I saw outside there. Those expensive cars, are they yours?
Oh, the cars in my compound, eh? Well, some are mine, then some belong to my friends in Malaysia. They all trust me because I'm Mahuba Kamoto. I'm a very honest businessman. So they buy cars from there, they send down here, I keep for them. By the time they come down to Malaysia, they'll take their cars.
Ezego. You have high taste too. I am so proud of you. I am happy about what you've accomplished.
So how are you? How have you been doing? Your wife, your business? How's it going?
Let me respect you. That is why I am here. Now, when again at Afofo na piazi metal, left, right, and center, as if I offended the gods. Anything I try to invest, everything will just lock up. See me, your brother is not doing well. You see, I want you to assist me. Can we in a business? Let my business start booming. As a matter of fact, see, if you can assist me and sponsor me to Malaysia, can you come anywhere? Let me hustle, try my best to know if I will succeed there. But if anything happens to my wife, please promise me that you will take care of her.
From guy who get there, work doesn't make sense at all. I mean, you can't just embark on such a trip knowing fully well that you're going to die. And then well, your responsibility to any single cause to be taken care of you. It's not done that way. One day, in one of the Malaysia, there's no point going there. People who have strong mind, they may live and more capacity, they go to Malaysia and they still get killed. Not to talk of you, somebody like you with your lily liver. Come on now. Ilo Malaysia, 2 days, and then what's going to happen? Your wife will stay here and be suffering and become a liability to other people. Go on, not do any if enough come on now. You don't want that. Forget it. You can't handle what the things they do in Malaysia. Malaysia is sick. Leave it. You see, I invested a lot of money in this Bitcoin business. Yes, if not, I would have given you some good money. And the cash I have at hand right now is little. It's not much. You will not understand it. Later I'll explain to you. The point is, there isn't really much money now. But I have it in mind. No, it's okay. It's okay. I'll put you in the budget. I'll take care of it.
Is it even one them?
It's okay. You have yourself. That's if you know how to manage money. I already told you I invest in businessman. I invest and I sit back and I start with them. You have to be patient to me. Patient. You're begging money. Now you're even able to get Then again, learn to be grateful. I give you this money, you need to go save the money.
We want to turn around, but it not be like this. We want to turn around, but it not be like this.
What do you mean you don't have money? Edwin, your brother told me how he sacrificed everything for your sake. Now you are telling him that you can't help him.
Is that what he told you? Okay. Did I not promise to help you?
For over 1 year now.
Mama, it's very simple. It has taken this long because this guy here, he doesn't have it. Simple. Will I kill myself? I the strategy. Man, on capacity. So this is what you went to tell Mama. By the how much did you even give to me? Then How much? 100,000 naira. Okay. 100,000 naira. Send me your account number. I'll give it to you right now. Bring my phone from the car.
But brother, his friend helped you to Malaysia.
An offer that was meant for him, which he really wished for you.
Fine. Accepted. Okay? Accepted. I got to Malaysia and I discovered that his friend was into What am I even saying? Why did it even take me this long to see this thing? Mama, can you see it now? Now I know why he left that offer for me and told me to go to Malaysia instead of him. All the very simple. Because what you know there can do drugs, Bob. Simple. That is exactly what happened to his friend. His friend was into drugs and they killed him. And he knew. On Imaro. I got there, they killed that guy. And then I started suffering. Mama Fuamaya, believe me, I passed through hell in Malaysia. I had nobody to run to. It was just one white man that took pity on me and he helped me. All through that period, where were you people? Kebuno, you never called me on the phone, bother to check on me. You never called me, you too, same thing. I was there suffering and you're telling me I benefited nothing from his benevolence. So he cannot tell me when and how to help him. It's not possible. I already told him about the working with KFC that made money when he was in his 60s. One nigga and one capacity and go. Simple. It's not my fault.
Dubem, I am not asking you to give me back the 100,000 naira I gave to you. I gave you that money in good faith and as a brother. My happiness is that you made it and you are alive. Therefore you can keep the money.
Inanuya, can you see the way he's talking to me? No single respect for Papanko or the ma.
Michiono, if I na kona ina koyeli na adoma donante. Eso kudube mum you are wicked. Afa jokage. Afa joliyes botenjo you are very wicked. Eh? Who behaves like you? When the motive say me, makokwego, you are stretching your neck, beating your chest just to help your brother. Listen, now listen to me. If you refuse to help your brother out of poverty, just know that I will cease to be your mother. But if you still want me to be your mother, help your brother. Give him some money to start up something. What is wrong with you? Amanda.
I see you've already taken sides. Huh? You've already taken sides. Huh? Even you seated here, did you call me?
How can I call you?
When I was in Malaysia.
Did you people care? Did you call us? Did you call me? Did you make Palomo? Go away when no Malaysia one. How will I have known what you are going through?
Mama even flash. Did you flash us?
So in the evening then I'll give you money so you can buy things to prepare. Good soup.
Mama, we're leaving now. Immediately. 3,000 I'm okay. 1,500. Huh? This is a huge amount of money. Spend wisely. Huh? Spend wisely.
Yeah, baby, you give me 3,000 naira. Just 3,000 after this whole days.
Mama, don't be ungrateful. We spent a lot of time in the village and we spent a lot of money. Now. Huh? I've tried.
Oh, brother, 1,500 will not buy anything for me in the market now. Things are expensive. The money is small. Make it 3,000. Big one.
Idiot. Very big idiot. Don't go on with the money. Huh? What 1,500? Is it your money? You know how hard I work to make money, and I'm giving you money. You're asking me what is what? Take your time, oh. Just take your time. Stop being ungrateful. I've told you before, go and get married. Every day I say it, get married. Find one of these boys now wearing a village name, get where, or Togi, may you leave. Give Mama space so that the 5,000 naira, huge money I give to her will be enough. I can even start giving her 3,000 naira because that way, the moment you leave, you know, that should be. Okay, now you're gonna make go. See the way you are looking at me. Don't ask me for money. I gave you 5,000 naira. It should be enough for you. Now I don't much. People know. So just work hard.
Thank you. You have a good heart.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
very last time you make a fool of me before my people. The very last time.
I don't understand.
How dare you give money to my people without letting me know first? Huh?
I never knew I would seek permission from you before giving anyone money.
Next time you give anybody money without letting me know, it will be the last time I'll give you a couple. Very last time.
We want to turn around, but it not be like this. We want to turn around, but it not be like this. Romance life, I say baby, Ebela Mapua, Wabe, Ebela Mapua, Wabe. Every day struggle. Every day suffer. Every day plenty wahala, just to survive. This life will make me fail. This life will make me fail. This world is a mystery. As a girl. We want to turn around, but it not be like this. We want to.
Good morning. You come to ask for money again.
Asnara, Abona me yadiro. Namara Madi. I don't know when, how and where I have offended you. Knowingly or unknowingly. What I'm here to do is to apologize to you. Maybe someone told you something I never did. Maybe you heard something about me or something I said and it was misinterpreted to you. Now I don't care to know where and how, but I am here to tender an apology to you to say I am sorry. Please, find a place in your heart to forgive me as your own brother. Please, I beg you.
We want to turn around, but it not be like this. We want to turn around, but it not be like this.
My dear, how are you? What's up, Mama? Today, Bam. Who is your dear? Who is your dear? Moi. God forbid.
I'm okay. Take it easy now. Are we quarreling?
Yes. In fact, we are fighting. You're a wicked woman. So you think you can turn away my brother from his own family, eh? From his own responsibilities, eh? Ha! Soon, your cup will be full.
Amoge, I thought you understood me the day I told you and Mama that I have no hands in what you people are accusing me of. I'm telling you the truth. Please, believe me.
Keep on lying to yourself. My God will expose you. And after then, you will suffer. You will suffer for making my brother, Eche, lose his only child.
Amoge, please. I'm begging you. Take it easy on me, please.
Get out of here! Get out of here! Hey, get out! Witch. White witch.
Mama, check out these wrappers. Hope you like them. There are shoes and handbags in the car. Let me go get them.
I don't want. Take them back to your mother and give to them.
Mama, what is the problem? Don't you like them?
I don't like them. I don't want. How can I like them when everything about you is so pretentious? You are pretender if you don't know. You pretend about everything.
Mama,
I like Alpha.
I don't understand.
How can you understand? When you have been the one behind my son's wickedness to me, his mother, I am his mother. Every of his wickedness is channeled at me and at his siblings. You told him to neglect his family and face yes. Isn't it?
No, Mama. Mama, I thought I've explained to you severally that I have no hands in my husband's behavior.
Tori?
He's the one in charge of me. He controls me and the money I spend. In fact, Mama, as I'm talking to you, he's not even aware I bought all these things for you.
I wish I can believe you, but I don't. My daughter was right when she told me not to believe anything you said. Because you are the one behind my son's wickedness. My son that I know, that I gave birth to, will never turn his back on me. How much more his siblings? If not under the influence of demonic and satanic charm you placed on him. Do you know how we labored on him? How we suffered where he was? Eh? Do you know how we suffered on him? In Ashtaloma.
Mama, I know all these things.
Oh, you know?
Yes.
Okay.
Which is why I find it very difficult to understand why he doesn't want to help anybody. Mama, please believe me. I have no hand in this.
Biko, please, do not go there to tell him that I said. Take these clothes, your handbag, your shoe, take it back to your mother. I don't need them. I just lost a daughter-in-law. I just lost a daughter-in-law. Look at your hand. I just lost a daughter-in-law. I don't want. I'm also. Take. If you are looking for something to do for me, go and free my son from the bondage you placed him. Biko.
What is she doing here?
Nemo, just imagine. Look at her. She has come with her deceptive, pretentious generosity. She wants to deceive me again. But now I am wiser. I'm not going to be fair. She can't deceive me with all these things on Ebuale. I have told her to go with them, that I don't need them. I am mourning. I just lost my daughter-in-law, and I'm mourning. Instead of coming to know how far, I don't want. If you are looking for something to do for me, go and free my son. Good. Release him for me, Biko. Oh, okay, please.
Okay. Amosu. I asked you not to come here and you did, eh? No respect. Wait for me.
Rimana. Arena. Okay, follow. Mama, you are looking for my trouble. God release my son. I'm begging you. Did I do bad thing to you? What is my fault? Eh? Is that my wicked?
I'm innocent.
You know?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Okay.
What are you doing? I'm okay.
Mama, what are you doing? I'm okay. Mama, she's mommy.
Leave me alone. Leave me. Whatever she likes.
I'm okay.
Happen to my account. You should leave me alone. Leave me. I've told you to return back to my son. Just go back to where you're coming from. I told you to return those clothes that I don't need them. If you had gone,
We want to turn around, but not be like this. We want to turn around, but not be like this. We want to turn around, but not be like this. We want to turn around, but not be like this.
Arrest her! Arrest her! Go after her! Go! Pick her up! Pick her up! Bring it here so we are running. Just keep running till the end of time. Here.
Hey! Mama, what is it?
Mama Biko.
What is it?
Just stay out of this.
What is this?
Stay out of this. Except you want me to arrest you. Just stay out of this thing.
Arrest them. Take me. Arrest me. Officer, I'm ready. Take me. Leave my daughter. Arrest me. What have you done to bring shame and disgrace to me in this village? Arrest me, cut my neck, tell them to kill me. Leave my daughter.
Mama, stay out of this thing. Just stay out of it. You were here when she insulted my wife. My wife came here to render help to you people. Help that I did not even sanction. Help that you don't deserve.
I don't need your help. I've told you I don't want it. I don't want. Look at, kill me. Officer, come and arrest me. Arrest me.
What happened now? You didn't get her.
Get me.
She ran away.
I did not run away. Arrest me. Take me.
Let's go.
We want to turn around, but not be like this. Hey. We want to turn around, but not be like this. We want to turn around, but not be like this. We want to turn around, but not be like this. Eseke jipakashi, eseke kutegike, Dube Muchikoyedo, Jai Ogane, Mesiname, Obalo Malaysia, because no one the capacity, Eseke Butegi, because no one moral, Abakagega, Jai Ogane, Mesiname.
What negative?
I've been calling your phone since how many days now? It's not responding. Can you answer?
Oh, why hello? I've been very busy. I went to the village. Alume. It's Alume. My brother lost his pregnant wife. So we went to bury her.
Sorry, Sorry. Well, I came as we discussed.
Me and you? Okay, what did we discuss?
Chief, remember I came to you 2 weeks ago and I told you to give me 500,000 so that I can start up a business, and you told me to come in a week's time. Oh, you can't join even.
See, I was getting excited. I even thought you're owing me money. You're going to give me 500,000. I told you now, I'm just coming back from a burial. I spent a lot of money. My brother is not financially stable yet, so everything about the burial was on my head. Who do you go and spend it there? Yeah, Bello, I don't have a dime right now.
No matter how small, anything at all. You know I have a family.
I have a family too now, don't you know? Huh? I even got married before you, man. You know now, I have problems. I got drawn now. Believe me. I don't have a dime. I just finished. Emma called them right now. Believe me, anything you have, you give to me. I spent a lot. But it's okay. It's okay. You see, one thing I don't do. I don't abandon my friends. Yes. There's a way I do it. It's okay. It's okay. There's a way I do it. Now that you've told me your problem, I'll put it in the budget. Yes, and when budget, a budget. So when it gets to you, you solve your problem, take it. So it will come. Just be patient. Maybe in a week or 2 weeks, I'll sort you out.
Budget. Hey, so you mean I should go now? Nothing at all.
Choice of Lalo Ibu Homo. Man Nazi.
How were you able to raise the money you used to bury your wife? I was so surprised. Everything went so smoothly.
Mama, I met with some of my good friends that raised money for me. And I borrowed some as well.
Wajo. How could somebody have a rich brother and still be suffering like this?
Mama, please forget about Dubem.
I should forget about who? Isn't forget about Dubem. After all you did for him, can I say forget about him? I can't. I can't forget about Dubem. Hey!
I did what a brother would do for a fellow brother. I don't want to put my mind there and then. I don't need to blame him either. I am glad that I buried my wife and everything went on smoothly. I can't depend on a fellow man like me, Mama.
I know my son. But it is quite unfortunate, very, very unfortunate that my son married a bad woman that charmed him into forgetting about everybody, including me.
Mama, no, Mama.
Moa.
Mama, I beg to disagree with you. That is not true. Dubem is just not in his right senses.
Look at when I be far. Don't just tell me that at all. I refuse to believe it. I don't even want to understand it. Because it is not true. I know her type. I know her very well. Very pretentious thing. Only pretend I know her type. So don't tell me.
Mama, let me tell you the truth. Emily has helped me tremendously. The way I never imagined. The problem is just from Dubem, your son. Anyway, Mama, I'll be going back to the city tomorrow to continue with my business. Yeah. Henceforth, anything you need, call me on phone.
After everything, could not remember yesterday. They refused to remember yesterday.
It's okay.
Where have I wronged him?
Mama,
what things did I do that I did not do well as a mother?
Mama, it's okay. Stop crying, please. Mama, it's okay. Mama, it's okay. Mama, please. Mama, please, it's okay. Please. I beg you, please. Mama, please, I beg you. Stop crying. No, Mama, stop. Stop.
We want to turn around, but it not be like this. We want to turn around.
Hey, sweethearts. You will love this. Trust me, you will love this one. A friend of mine, my good friend, is opening his female boutique today. Yeah, so he invited me, wants me to come there and make the whole place. Yeah, so I want you to go with me. Once we get there, I will shut down the shop. Believe me, I'll buy everything there and give them to you. Let's go.
Thank you.
What do you mean?
You know what I mean? I don't need them.
Why?
Honey, you just bought me some set of clothes last few weeks. And now you want to buy another one. I need you on me. I don't need it.
I mean, how many times will I tell you? You don't even need me to tell you. You are the wife of Ezeko. Babanko. You should be changing clothes, new clothes every day, and you should never repeat clothes. That's how you should be. Let's go and spend money.
Yeah, I know. In fact, you're the best husband.
So?
But honey, please, I'm begging you. I'm begging you in the name of God. This money you want to use and buy me these clothes, why not send it to Mama? Or Amoge? Or better still, your brother Eche?
Enough. How dare you? You have no right to tell me how to spend my money. It's not your money. Neither is it theirs. It's my money. I made the money. So I spend it however I want to do. Don't try this again. Do you hear me? If I want to buy you clothes, fine, you allow me, I will buy you clothes. Don't tell me how to take care of my people. Are you going there with me?
I'm not interested.
Fine. So I will go there, shut down the entire shop, buy everything there and give it out to different women.
Excuse me, my brother. I'm very sorry I could not make it to the burial. I tried calling you, but your number was not going through to get the location of your village.
A network problem. We'll have a serious network problem in the village.
So, how did it go? How was the burial?
It went well. I thank God for everything.
I wish I was there. At least done something to help.
Eric, thank you so much for the one you did. You're a good neighbor, and sincerely, I appreciate you for that.
Come to think of it, have you settled your landlord?
Oh, landlord? He called me and sympathized with me. He asked me to come and stay for at least 1 year to recover what I lost.
That's nice of you.
Yeah, honestly, I'm surprised.
God bless him. Nice. So, about your business, what's your plan?
I will continue where I stopped.
So, Nam, how much are we talking about?
Don't worry about that.
You said I should not worry about what? I am the one that sent you to school. So I am responsible for all your fees. If it means my working or borrowing money to pay that, I will do. So tell me how much we're talking about. Oh.
Mommy.
No.
Don't worry about that. Mama, you have tried enough for me. So allow me to do this one. Please.
How? How do you intend to do it? You don't have any job. How do you intend to raise the money? Or do you want to start prostituting?
God forbid.
Exactly. So tell your mother, how much are we talking? How much do you need?
It's 50,000 naira. At least it will cover for my school fees and my departmental fees.
50,000.
That's why I say you should don't bother about it. I'm going to fix it. Don't worry.
Don't worry. Don't worry, my daughter. It is still my responsibility to pay your school fees. I'll think of way to raise the money to pay the school fees. I'll think of what to do. I will know what to do. Don't worry. Oh, you are still my responsibility. I'll pay your school fees. How much is girl school?
Mama. Mama, don't tell me you want to start going around borrowing people for money. You're already owing people now. You're owing a lot of people just for my education.
I know. I am the one that sent you to school. Like I said earlier, every of your responsibilities are mine. So I will be the one to do them. Oh, I
don't like the way you're stressing.
Romance life, I say baby. Romance life, I say baby. Romance life.
I was on my way to your house and I just met you going out. I hope all is well. All is well. All is well. I was just coming to see you to see if you can help me with some money to pay my daughter's school fees. Money? Like how much are we talking about? Listen, total amount we need is about 50,000 naira. 50,000? 50,000. I hope you're not here to mock me, Nina. 50,000 naira. It's not what? 50,000 naira. I can't mock you. You're begging me for 50,000 naira. Your son is a millionaire, for crying out loud. Nina, go to your son and collect 50,000 naira. He will give you. Listen, things are not the way they seem. If you didn't have told you, my friend should have known better. These
are not just like that. If my son will give me that money, I won't have come to you. I came because even if I go to him, he will still not give it to me. Just help me. None of my belly. Let me pay my daughter's school fees. Later, I will see how to pay you back.
My dear Nena, I hope you know what you're doing. Your son just gave our parish spirit 10 million naira last week.
10 million.
Haven't you heard? About 10 million, no. And you're here begging me for a mere 50,000 naira. Go and settle your differences with your son, my dear.
Okay.
Okay?
I heard you. I know if you go, I've heard.
All right, my dear.
Let me just return back home and see how I'll
okay.
You want to go? You don't.
Now, tomorrow.
Come and see life, and say baby. Come and see life, and say baby. Come and see life. We want to turn around, but it not be like this. We want to turn around, but it not be like this.
Mama, stop doing this to yourself now. Bikono. Stop crying. Is it because of what that woman said?
Okay. I have never been embarrassed like this all my life. I can't believe that I went to Ezine and she gave me the insult of my life. You need to see what she told me. You need to hear it. All because of the man one day.
Mama, don't mind her. Don't mind her. See, she can say whatever she wants to say. You wouldn't have listened to her.
How will I not listen? If the babe had provided for us, open up the babe belly for Kwesili make a work, would I have had the need to go begging and borrowing from people? Nobody is even taking me serious anymore. No matter how I plead with them that I need something, they look at me as if I am a joke. Because they don't understand why I should come out and be begging when I have a son like Dubebo. Dubebo made up his mind to disgrace me in this village. Now I am Koyele Worogwa.
Hey. Mama, I told you to stop borrowing money from people. I said it. As if I knew it's going to happen. Mama, I told you that I'm going to handle this. Yes. There is this friend of mine that promised to help. and I intended paying her before the ending of the year, but she disappointed me.
Hey, I know. You've seen it. She did not eventually help. So I have to do something. I still have to do something. I won't leave everything like that.
But Mama, I'm going to that city to meet Dubem. Dubem will give me this money whether he likes it or not. Yes.
How do you intend to do that?
Romance life, say baby. Romance life, say baby. Ebela mabua, wame, ebela mabua, wame, ebela mabua, wame. Every day struggle. Every day suffer. Every day plenty wahala just to survive this life. When men be fair, this life. When men be fair, this world is a mystery. Not be how you plan them, baby. I'm not go what's the idea? As I go, we want to turn around, but not be like this. As I go, we want to turn around, but not be like this. As I go, we want to turn around, but not be like this. As I go, we want to turn around. But
is everything alright?
Coughed out blood.
Since when?
Just now. I don't know what's wrong with me, but I coughed and I noticed blood coming out from my mouth.
I suggest you see a doctor right now, please.
I'll do that right away.
Okay. Should I go with you?
Don't worry.
Are you sure?
You were saying you cannot raise 200,000 naira for a friend just to sort out an emergency problem.
You see how much I'm owing in the bank right now, and this year I'm going through a lot. Because of what I told you, I think you have 200,000 naira by now. If you had 200,000, would you be sitting down here sitting there paying out your people? Will you? You know that? You still calling 200,000 naira I've explained to you. I don't have it. What give it sitting now or throw?
I knew you were not going to help me. Is it good? Is it good? The way people are beginning to come. You don't block people. Why? Why don't you go to those people that are complaining and ask them for money?
Hey, why didn't you do that before coming here? I bet you shishi you will not get from them. All they do is to complain. They don't have a call to give to you. At least more, I'll even explain to you. They won't even explain anything based on their money. They can't do it. I'll try to let you know you don't listen. Okay, I imported some goods. I spent some money to import goods. They came in. Those goods are the offer. To clear them problem. Also, I'm about their company. And the man can match now. What is that problem? Everywhere is so tight. No money anywhere. Not just me, everybody is complaining. The same thing now. Malaysia.
What are friends for? You cannot work with what are friends for today?
Honestly, I don't like the angle that you're taking this thing to. Believe me. My plan was we finish this discussion. As a friend, I'll do for you what I do for other friends. Taking a budget. Water. Taking a name and list now. As really, I'll just be solving people's problems. We're doing kick out solving that ticket. Now that you're sounding like this, I want to end the friendship. I'm fine.
want to turn around, but it not be like this. We want to turn around, but it not be like this. We want to turn around, but it not be like this. We want to turn around, but it not be like this. Ego jikwa kashi because no one the capacity. Ego ebutegi ike because no one moral. Dube mo jikwa edo chai no gane mezi na mili Obalo Malaysia because no one the capacity. Ego ebutegi ike because no one moral.
Welcome. I just come in. Get out! Amogi, has it gotten to the point of you pushing me in my own house? Hey! Look when you miss you. Ansu! Where is my brother? Is there any problem? Is there any problem? Anyway, I don't want to repeat myself again. Where is Tube, my brother? Where is he? He's not around. And I demand an apology for what you just did right now. This is my house and you don't do anyhow here. I'm sorry. Oh? I was just joking with you now. Or can't I joke with you again as your sister-in-law? Huh? Go and get something for me. So I'm very, very hungry. Huh? Hey, is my brother. Oh, Asa. Go now, go and get food. Oh, why your mama? Hi, mama.
Is there any other number you can reach him with?
Let me try your phone now.
It's not even connected. It's not connected. This is the only number I used to get pictures on one. Yeah.
And now for the past 2 weeks, it's not connecting.
I even thought he's still in the village.
No. Eche left 3 days after the burial of his wife, and he promised me he will call as soon as he gets back to Asaba. Since then I've been waiting. Now it's 2 weeks. I could not get his call, and I could not even reach him with the number he gave me.
Mika, my son, did the same thing some time ago. He said his phone developed fault, so he could not charge it. Don't worry, you will soon hear from him. He will soon call you.
I pray, I pray.
Hey, he will call you.
What is wrong? What are you doing? What are you doing? Why are you embarrassing me in my house? Is something wrong with you? Eh? Liar. Liar! I will expose you today. Eh? We suffered so much for Dubem to acquire all this wealth you desire for. And all you could do is to divert his attention to you and your family. Which? Amoge, I will not have you insult me in my house. I have nothing to hide. Did you hear me? What's about the who sees that?
We want to turn around, but not be like this. We want to turn around, but not be like this. We want to turn around, but not be like this. We want to turn around, but not be like this.
What's going on here?
Nothing.
What do you mean nothing? Your clothes are scattered on the ground. What's going on?
I washed them, so I'm neatly folding them back to the wardrobe. Yes.
Alright. I'll be waiting for you downstairs. When you're done, come and give me food. Huh?
The sister is here.
Which of my sisters?
How many sisters do you have?
We want to turn around, but not be like this. We want to turn around, but not be like this.
I'm okay.
Brother, welcome.
Hey, you don't come close to me, Sally. What are you doing in my house? Huh? What are you doing in my house?
Brother, this one you're asking me what am I doing in my own brother's house again? Eh? Besides, I came to see you.
See me for what? Huh?
Brother, I need money. I need money for my handout and school fees.
So if you need money for school fees and handout, is that why you will come to my house uninvited and even attack my wife?
Yay! Chelo, brother, is that what she told you? Eh? Besides, do I need an invite to visit my own brother?
Do I need an invite to visit me? Or Beggy? Is it your house? Did you build this house for me? When I was building this house, it's not your house. So you have no right to come in here for anything without letting me know. And it's also not a bank where you just walk in and withdraw money and then you leave. And what am I going to get out of my house?
No, this is not my brother. This is not you, brother. It is Acham.
It's your grandfather.
Brother, why do you hate me this much? What have I done to you? Eh? Can you come here again? Eh? Why do you hate me this much? Am I not your blood? Eh? I need help. Bikonu, I need help, brother. Help me. God has blessed you with wealth. Why won't you help me? Biko.
I'll leave you to spend the night because it's late. First thing tomorrow morning, you are out of my house. Did you hear that? Except you want me to visit you with my love. After all, you're old enough to be in a man's house and the person will be taking care of you. When I was your age, I was already on the streets. Now, Chuego, don't know what you're doing here. Let me not meet you here in the morning.
Help, I don't remember.
I know she's here for you to help her. Biko, consider her for my sake. I'm begging you.
I've said it before, I will not do anything for her. Do you hear me? I won't. It's my money. Blah, 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 with the money. I don't pluck money from trees. I work hard to make my money. Do you hear me? Do you know how much I'm owing the bank? Do you? Not my cow.
Please, Biko. Anything you can do for her, please. I'm begging you. Help her in any little way you can.
I already told you I will not do anything for her. She will not kill me. Huh? I'm not the first person who made money in a family. So my country will let them now kill me. Huh? My entire family, everybody will drop their problems on my head. But the man, I'm not going to do anything for her. Let her leave me alone. I already told her, let her go out there and hustle. When I was her age, I was already in the streets. Now, try go with her red. You understand? Let her stop stopping me. If she wants money, fine. I've already told her, and I told Mama, I can sponsor them. Let them go to Malaysia. I'm born on streets there. But she said down there, Lord, Mama, I'm on the other side. And they make money and they spend their own money. Don't stop me. Tell her I said she must leave my house this minute. Else, when I get back here, she will not like what I'll do to her.
I'm begging you. It's not her fault that she has someone like you.
We want to turn around, but to not be like this. We want to turn around, but to not be like this. We want to turn around, but to not be like this. We want to turn around, but to not be like this. Ego jikwa kashi because no one the capacity. Ego butegi ike because no one moral. Dube mu jikwa ego. Try for God. Money is sweet, if I gonna life is useless without money. Jay, Odigasi, Jua Ezego, one name Jukweze, Odigasi, Jikanezego, Yazego, Jelawe, Jebuti.
Woman, I will send you out of this room if you don't let me. Amaka.
She's your blood. And your mother will be so worried right now in the village. Please, I'm begging you.
She will remain in that police cell until she learns to stay away from anything that concerns you. including you, my wife.
Okay, I forgive her. And I want you to forgive her too. You know she's a woman and being in that cell won't be nice for her.
She should have thought of it before she insulted my wife. Let her stay there. I will teach her a lesson she will never ever forget in her life. I remember.
Honey, please, consider what people will say. They will think I'm the one influencing your decision, overlooking your sister up. You could marry her there. I'm begging you.
One more word from you. You want me to leave the room for you?
No, I don't want you to leave. But please forgive her.
If you don't want me to leave this room for you, then keep quiet. Allow me to sleep.
Jai, ife gonna money is sweet. Yeah, ife gonna life is useless without money. Jai, you pay
Honey, what is it?
I felt a sharp pain in my chest.
Pain? Is the pain still there?
Subsided.
Did you see the doctor as I suggested?
Yes, I did. He ran a test on me, gave me the CA, so that I should come back for another test.
My husband, this is health issue. Please, I want you to take it serious. I don't want anything to happen to you.
Of course I know. I know that I'm not a child. I'm taking it seriously. Tell Chimobi to wash the car I used yesterday. Going out in 30 minutes.
Are you sure you're okay?
Do what I asked you to do now. Huh? Go.
Jai, ife gonna money is sweet. Yeah, ife gonna life is useless without money. Jai, Chukwese, Odigasi, Chua Ezego, one name Chukwese, Odigasi, Chikenezego, Yazego, Jelawe, Jebutike.
I was about going to the baby's house in Asaba to look for you. What is going on? You're looking so tattered and dirty. Okay.
Mama, I was arrested and detained.
What? What?
Mama, for 1 week now, I have been in that police cell.
It's the police cell?
For 1 week now, I have been in that police cell.
Who arrested and detained you and made you look this way?
With no means of communicating with you, Mama. Mama, you think I'm lying? Smell me now, smell me.
Talk to me. I don't need to smell you to know that you're telling me the truth. I want to know what you did that made whoever arrested you to arrest you. Who arrested you? Where?
Brother Dubem. Your son.
Dubem,
Brother Dubem insulted me in front of his wife and asked those policemen to torture me for getting Ami's blood. Ami's only sister. Mama was treated like a criminal.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, man. Who is doing this to my son? Who is doing this to the baby mom? Whoever that is doing this, it will never be well with that person. Whoever that said that I will give birth to a child and my child will not give help to me, it will never be well with that person. Omadlonya man want to make it because it is not normal. It's okay, Mama. It's okay. Jai, if I gonna money is sweet, if I gonna life is useless without money. Jai, Jukweze, Odigasi, Jua Ezego, one name Jukweze, Odigasi, Chikenezego, Yazego, Jelawe, Jebutike, Aye, Obono Boy Ezego, I can name back Wabata, Obono Boy Ezego, I can name back Wabata. I suffer to make this.
Let's put him inside the car. Mommy, please don't do this. Please.
We want to turn around, but it not be like this. We want to turn around, but it not be like this.
Jai, if I gonna money is sweet, if I gonna life is useless without money. Jai, Odigasi, Jua Ezego, one name Jukweze, Odigasi, Chikenezego, Yazego, Jelawe, Jebutike, Aye, Obono Boy Ezego, I can name back Wabata, Obono Boy Ezego,
Well, you're welcome once again. The scan result proved that you have a chronic liver disease. That is why your urine is dark in color.
So what is the solution?
The permanent solution to it is transplant. And there are medication you'll be taking that will be sustaining you for now.
How much will the transplant cost?
I have to call a surgeon to confirm the cost and to explain the procedure to you. You just have to be yourself. You'll be fine.
I am this prime
We want to turn around, but it not be like this. We want to turn around, but it not be like this. We want to turn around, but it not be like this. We want to turn around, but it not be like this.
Pain is too much. Pain is too much.
Sorry, okay? The doctor said your liver is getting worse.
He already said that before. Now, what is he doing?
You need to change it immediately.
He's wasting time. He talked about surgery. How much will it cost?
I'm afraid though. The figures are $1 million.
I won't go on no more. I think it's time for you to start handling my account. Even though I don't trust you. Anybody go to go to the house now, go to the wardrobe, check for my checkbook, bring it.
We want to turn around, but it not be like this. We want to turn around, but it not be like this. We want to turn around, but it not be like this. We want to turn around, but it not be like this. Ego jikwa gashi because no one the capacity. Ego butegi ike because no one moral. Dube mujikwa ego chai ogane mezi na mili Obale Malaysia because no one the capacity. Ego butegi ike because
What?
I had a dream.
A bad dream? Oh, please don't panic, okay? Do you mind telling me about it?
It's not your business, my friend. Get your checkbook and see what.
It's inside my bag. The doctor recommended another procedure.
Procedure again?
And I had to call my mom.
You did what?
Come on, I can't keep such a thing to myself anymore. She needs to know of your current state of health.
What is wrong with you? Eh? Oh, did I ask you to call her? Eh? Do not be as if I cannot take care of myself. I have money to take care of myself. Stop doing things without letting me.
Sorry, sir.
Just stop doing things without letting me know. Get out of here. Get. Call the doctor for me. Just get out.
We want to turn around, but it not be like this.
Yeah? 80 million. Hey! What is going on now? Do you want me to die here? I've been spending so much money already. Office skin in here.
Young man, I am only trying to save your life. The only solution to your problem is surgery.
That's what you've been saying. Do the surgery now, please. I'm dying. I've been spending so much. I don't have money. Where does me go? I've not even attended to my business. Money is not coming in.
I am sorry about that, young man, but there's nothing we can do about it now. I have told you, and I will keep telling you, the only permanent solution to your problem is transplant. And I believe that is what you get from any hospital across the globe. So I see no reason you should be angry about it.
Of course I will be angry. I want the money. Don't you understand? At least, I'm not even sure I still have up to her for what you are talking about. See, I don't understand you, doctor. Honestly, maybe I should have gone to another because no, the doctor. Where did you study? What the sure about carpenter?
Madam, I should be in my office.
Thank you so much, doctor.
In case you come up with any decision. Excuse me.
Thank you, doctor.
Yeah, brother.
Please take it easy now. You shouldn't have spoken to her the way you did. She was only trying to help.
Help in which way?
You talk to everybody like you're talking to me and it's not good.
That's because people are not competent.
Take it easy now. You know the pain is too much. Take it easy.
How much do I even have in my account now?
Less than 5 million.
Chimabi! Didn't you hear me? What is wrong with you? Eh? Did you hear me, hon?
Madam, welcome.
And where are you going with that bag? Eh?
Madam, they come out from this house.
Where are you going to?
Madam, I don't get work for this house where they here. Now there they go. I know they work for me again.
Is that not Samuel's house? Oh, someone knows you're working for us, so why is he employing you?
This one. When they owe me for the past 2 months. He not touch you now for mine to pay me. Now he say na work. I know they for that one again. I dey go my new place of appointment.
Chimabi, God in heaven knows my husband has been kind to you. He has always treated you like a brother. So I don't know where all these ones are coming from.
Treatment. This one a treatment. When I dey see how Oga they take treat you, we be in wife. I dey see how Oga they take talk to you like a small pikin. I dey see how Oga they take talk.
Stop that rubbish. And don't you dare insult my husband again. Did you hear me? Did you hear me? Don't try that rubbish again. What nonsense. The Lord I serve knows I've been good to you. Even my husband has been kind to you, Chimabi. But since you say you want to leave, no problem. You can go.
Madam, I know say una go dey wait may I ask una for my balance. The money when I dey owe me. But me I no go ask una. But I know the God why they serve. I know say him go collect am from your husband's sickness. You see. See una gate. Make you lock am. By the time when we push am 1, push am 2, you go know how far. Lock am o.
Is a very deadly disease, and he might die only a few survive it. Why not sell off this house and the rest of his property? Nancy, I can't abandon my husband. It's not possible. Him and your friend. This man doesn't care about you. He will less
1.2 million. God, I don't believe this. Iyke, I bought for 5 million. You want to sell it for just 1.2 million? Are you drunk?
Honey, do you know how many people that came for that car? Some were even pricing 800,000. Some were pricing 600.
Babe, just a monkey. I don't blame this because it's not your money. Just because I'm sick, I can't do anything from here.
Honey, can you just stop getting yourself worked up? Can you just calm down? You're stressing yourself too much and you don't need it.
What about my friend Sam? Did you contact him?
Yes. He said he will come and see you when he's less busy. That he's very, very busy.
Hi. Ijowa. So Sam cannot even spare 5 minutes to come and see me on this sick bed. No problem. See. That guy. We will not sell it for 1.2 million, no.
Honey, what are you even saying? You know we need to raise money for this surgery. There is no other way I can get money apart from selling those cars.
No. Not by selling my expensive cars for peanuts.
So what do you want me to do? To just fold my hands and watch you? We need to raise money. We need to keep selling and selling till we raise money for the surgery.
Tell me the truth. How much have you stolen from me so far?
So, for how long has he been in the hospital?
More than a month now. And he's not improving at all.
Child. Okay, Nife.
And he sent me to come to you and beg you so you can help him raise some money.
Money kwa?
Yes.
In this hard time? Oh no. No, things are hard this period, because.
I know you can help my husband. I know what you're capable of doing. Please, I'm begging you. Help my husband, Biko.
Listen, I have been showing a lot of messages to people over the last few weeks. In fact, I have been dashing money up and down, here and there. But right now, I don't have physical cash. I don't have any money to spare right now, Biko. Just try and understand, Biko.
Biko, I'm begging you.
Yeah.
For my sake, Biko. Biko.
Well, it is even because of you I'm even trying to consider. I'm trying to consider. But before that, you scratch my back and I scratch your own one time.
I don't understand.
Oh, you don't understand now?
Yes.
Okay. Well, I will give you the money only if you will allow me to sleep with you.
Sleep with me? Are you alright?
Yeah.
You asking me to sleep with you?
No, I haven't said anything very difficult here. I mean, what is so long in what I have just said now? Or were you expecting something? Were you expecting a very cheap tax?
My goodness. You can't be serious. How can you ask your own friend's wife to sleep with you? Where is your conscience?
My conscience is with that your stupid husband. You know, go. And let me tell you something. Once you get back to that hospital, tell that your stupid husband that givers never go rich. You know, go. Now get out from my motor. Get out from my car. Get out! Bitch. I should come and help your husband. Come and take money. I'll just pick money from anywhere and start helping your husband. What did your husband do for me when I came to beg him money?
When is this 5,000 naira?
Hey, this is what I can say. This is me. A big man, Guinea. I know you're a big boy. I even know you just built another fuel station. Can you be giving me 5,000 naira?
At least I tried. Unlike you. I remember vividly what you told me when I came to ask for ordinary 200,000 naira. You worry, it's about that.
I forget what I said that time. I don't know what came over me. I'm sorry. Pico, help me. I'm dying. Pico.
Money. Have you forgotten what you told me about divorce? And I'm about to say well when it comes to money. You got it all. I mean, I have to take my leave now.
Hi.
I'll see you. I'll see you.
Don't do this thing you want to do.
Money. Just get well soon,
This is the same thing your so-called friend sisters did to me. I can't still imagine that he has the temerity to ask me for sex before he can give me money.
Eh?
Yes.
He wanted to sleep with you?
Yes. You know, they are paying us back with what you did to them. I keep advising you to help people. But you help, Idru. Eh? Now look at it. What is 5,000 naira? What are we going to do with 5,000 naira?
Wait, did you accept?
How can I accept? I didn't sleep with him.
The show on 620 yeah?
If I had slept with him, would I have come telling you? I didn't do anything with anybody.
Problem. No matter what, yeah? The money will come. How much have you realized so far?
5.5 million.
Eh? After selling all my cars, only 5.5 million. Come, please. Why? Are you sure you are not stealing money from me? Eh? How much have you stolen so far?
How can I even steal from you? How can I steal from you when I know your life is at stake? I'm not even happy the money is not enough.
No problem. Next thing will be to sell our house. When you sell the house, I have about 3 plots of land. Yeah, the documents are at home inside the wardrobe. Sell everything, pack all the money. You can come.
If I sell the house, where do we live?
If you keep the house and I die, you'll come. Eh? Don't annoy me, oh.
Sorry.
Wicked woman. Go. Go and do everything I say you should do. Go.
What about the money?
Hey. You hear me? Don't live here with that money. Put it under the bed. No. Bring it here. Go. I don't trust you. Hold my money. Go. Go now.
I sold the house for 40 million naira. Then the land, I got 8 million naira.
See, are you sure you are not lying to me?
How can I be lying to you?
I'm warning you, because by the time I get well and leave this sick bed, I will say.
Eh?
Yes. You swear for me before a shrine. So do we have up to 30 million now?
No, what we have now is 27.5 million naira.
And you have it here in the bag?
Yes, it's complete here. Asking me to bring this money here is a huge risk. Eh?
Okama, I do not trust you at all. It's better the money stays here with me. Be sure. In fact, go now. Tell the doctor to discharge me. Let us go home. Let's go and pack our things and leave the house. Because soon, the new owner of the house will come to occupy it.
Go home? Are you sure you're strong enough to go home?
I do not have a choice, so we can't continue paying exorbitant hospital bills. Because let's go. Come on. When we get home and back, they will start looking for money to complete it.
It is alright. Let me go and see the doctor. Come on. The money is here.
Leave the money here. Keep it. Keep it under the bed.
Okay.
No. Keep it. Keep it in between my legs.
How can I keep it in between your legs?
You joke. Do what I say you do.
But it's safe here.
My friend will not do it. There is something to do. Keep it in between my legs. Samuel Kazema. All the time I spent in the hospital, you didn't even come there for once to visit me on the Masam.
You say go, my good friend. I've been busy, that's why. I've been very busy.
That's what you told my wife. Same thing you're telling me now, Sam.
Exactly the truth. I've been very, very busy.
I'm not broken now. He's your man, oh. Your man, Ezego. It's not good, though. I even heard you've been living well, spending so much money. They said you even bought a new car worth millions.
What you heard is the truth. I even bought 2 cars, not one. But I thank God Almighty for everything. Nachuku, God has been so good to me.
Amen. I am happy because I know you will help me. I need your help one day. I'm dying. Believe me, I am dying. I was discharged from the hospital because I'm broke. I need to raise 30 million naira for surgery.
Are you serious?
I'm telling you, 30 million naira. We've been able to raise 27.5 million. Right now, we still need 2.5 to make it up to 30 so I can pay for the surgery. Help me, Sam, because I'm dying. Help me. I know you can give me this money. Help me, because...
It's very good. I don't have money now. He got the law. Business is not moving fine as usual. It's not been long I just did my late father's memorial service. I spent a lot there. There is no money. You got the law.
Sam, don't do this. It's me, oh. It's me, Ezeko, your man. I'm dying. Oh, help me, Sam. I know you can do it. Help me, please.
Ezeko, I'm cool. You got the law. How do you want me to spell it out? There's no money. Or do you expect me to give you my business capital? Man, now, I'm not wrong, man. Remember what you told me about givers?
I remember. I say it all the time. Givers never lack.
Go and accuse it to her. Go and accuse it to her. Man, givers always lack. You said it, they always go broke. So it was a gamble my capital. I should carry my capital that's meant for my business and give you, and then go broke. No. Check in here. It was a gamma can I meluzialo. Sam, I'm dying. Don't do this, please. Uncle, wait, we'll see the...
Anybody's around.
Buy me water. I need to drink water.
Won't he disturb you?
Not disturb me. Let me water. Go.
Are you still mad at me?
Why won't I be mad at you? Eh? Am I supposed to be happy in this condition? Get me water.
Honey, you know those boys were armed and they threatened to kill us. I had no choice.
Of course you had a choice. You had a choice. You could have taken a bullet for me. Eh? Is it too much to ask? You know everything I've done for you in this world. How am I even sure you didn't plan with those criminals to take all the money and everything that belongs to me? Don't worry, I'll come for you.
You despise me so much.
I'll come for you, idiot.
You despise me so much. Eh? I know you never liked me. You don't like anything about me at all. But has it gotten to the extent of wishing me dead?
Yes. Bad luck like you. Get out of my sight and go and get me water.
Mama, have I not tried? Have I not tried enough? Do you know the insult and humiliation your son gives me every day? Now he just told me that he has no use for me. Mama, let me go. Mama, let me just go.
He said that?
Yes.
Ha! Please, my daughter, don't go. I beg you. I am very convinced that Dube cannot do without you. Please, he likes to hear himself speaking every time. Because he is sick and frustrated.
Mama, I've tried my best. And you know I've tried my best. You and your daughter keep accusing me of charming him. Mama, I'm tired. I'm tired of this accusation. I want to go.
I've stood by the man through thick and thin. I've done everything for him. Yes, he doesn't like anything about me. Mama, let me go, because Achomena, let me go. I'm so sorry for accusing you wrongly. It was out of anger. It was out of anger. Yes. Because Itubem, I know, turned his back against his family. But I never knew it wasn't your making. I am so sorry, please. Please, Balam, Biko.
My daughter, please I beg you, don't go. I cannot do without you. I only know that Dube cannot live without you. Just look at him. He is sick and he is frustrated. He can't say anything. Don't listen. You go, ma'am. Don't just listen. Okay, stay for me. I know we did all those things in the past. I am wrong. I did not understand. Please, my dear. Oh, just stay. Please. I'm sorry for everything we did. I'm sorry. Stay for me. Please. Take the bag inside. Oh, it's okay. Just stay. Oh. Very strong girl.
Good day, ma'am.
Good day. Who are you looking for?
Well, I'm Richard from an NGO.
What's NGO?
We take care of patients suffering from liver disease.
I'm going to be NGO. What is NGO?
It is called non-governmental organization, Mama.
Non-governmental organization. Governmental. So what are the government doing in my house?
I was told you have a son who is suffering from the same ailment.
Who told you?
The Igwe, of course.
And where is your office located?
We have our head office in Lagos and a branch in Asaba.
So who sponsors such treatment?
An NGO member who is financially stable. He flies the patients abroad if there is need for it.
Hey! Ewo! This is too sweet to be true.
So is there anything you can maybe show us as a proof that you're truly an NGO representative?
I'll come back on Thursday. But meanwhile, before then, prepare your son because we'll be taking him along for the treatment. We'll also bring the details for you. Everything you need to know about NGO.
It's alright. Thank you very much. Do have a wonderful day.
Have a nice day.
Hello. Thank you. Does it work like that?
Mama, relax. We'll find out, okay? NGO.
NGO. You told him.
Flying abroad and treatment. And everything is possible.
Oh. I thank God for giving me a second chance.
I thank God Almighty. Praise be to His holy name.
Amen.
For bringing my son back to me, hale and healthy. Mama Adirigo, everything is gone. God, I thank you. No. My daughter Emily, I don't even know where to start in your own case. You are a superwoman. If you Erika, I don't know what to give you or say to you to show how grateful and thankful my family are over you. That long one.
He is my husband and my family. You don't need to thank me for being there for my own. Mama, you need to see the way those people treated us. They were so nice. If you see the way they were carrying my husband, they didn't even allow his leg touch the ground. My God will continue to bless them. Let's stop thanking them. If you see the way they treated us, so nicely.
God.
You think that I don't even know the owner of that position. But I know I owe him my life.
Oh.
Believe me, I owe him so much gratitude, so much thanks.
Thank God.
I mean, if not for them, At the time, I almost gave up. I thought I was going to die. But God used them to bring me back to life.
Amen. Thank God. I can't do you know, I almost forgot. I almost threw them away. But God did well.
I told you now.
Thank God, though.
I thank
so
God.
Grateful to God Almighty.
Brother. This one you're sounding so religiously. When was the last time you attended Sunday Mass?
I've started attending. I'm telling you. Started attending half one. I'm okay.
Brother.
Mama.
Yeah.
I want to apologize to both of you for everything I did to you. The way I spoke to you, the way I treated you. I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
In any way I've wronged you, forgive me.
It's okay. God has given me the best gift, which is your life. Yes, sir. You live long, you see more things. So now my son is back to me, and I'm grateful.
Brother, I need a power and some drinks for that.
Don't worry, we'll buy it for you.
My love, I'm really very sorry for the way I've been treating you. I'm so sorry. I know I hurt you deeply. Honestly, at this point, if you decide to leave me and go back to your people, I will not blame you.
Why should I go back?
Because you don't deserve to be with a monster like me. I know I treated you with so much disrespect, so much disregard. I'm sorry. Find it in your heart to forgive me. Biko.
I forgive you. But I don't see the reason for me to go back to my parents.
I'll tell you why. Right now I have nothing left. I'm back to the village. And I'm going to be here for a while. And life will be tough. I don't want you to suffer.
I know all this. I know. Unless you want me to go back to my parents, then I'll grant your decision.
Deep inside me, I don't want you to go. I just want the best for you. But if you decide to stay, believe me, I'll be the happiest man on earth. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry too.
I love you.
I love you too.
I beg you, you probably got the wrong person. I'm not the one you...
Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! You don't know where you Jones? You Jones?
When you see Martel, see, Martel, see, this your head, wait up, baby. This your head, we go bad the place, everything go wrong. You tell the business of the day. You don't fuck up.
Yes, sir. No, sir. Yes, sir.
Our work, now to do what we're not supposed to do. You tell me, sir, you won't do any, I'll bite your ear, come on there.
Hey, sir, please.
Give them money.
I beg you. You got the wrong person, I'm not the one, please.
Shut! Sobo, if you mess a boo, Sobo, you go collect. Sobo, you don't feel me? Sobo.
Hey, don't see where now. Hey, don't see where.
Azubike, it's you.
I'm sure your brother told you I'm dead.
Yes, he said you're dead. That you had issue with your business partner, sir. So they came after you and they shot you dead.
So to defend me, I'm dead. Well, I'm a cat with 9 lives. So to kill me is very difficult.
Azubike, please. If you're the one that sent them, tell them to release me. I don't have any problem with you, and they probably got the wrong person. I'm not the one you're looking for, please.
I sent them to you. Because of what your brother did. Because you are the one who introduced him to me.
I don't know what you're talking about.
You don't know what he's talking about.
Let's just your brother came to Malaysia and I showed him ways. I took him as a brother. I introduced him to my friends. But one day we had a deal. My friends and I were shot.
What are you talking about?
Echezona. One nigga will be up. My friends died, and I survived. I swear he must face the consequence.
Azubike, we've been friends back in the days in the university. Whatever my brother did to you, on behalf of him, I plead for you to forgive and forget. I don't want you to hurt him. I don't want to do anything to him. Okay, fine. Anything you want me to do so you can forgive him, tell me, I will do it.
The money your brother made. He will pay me back, or he'll face the consequence. you will do that which you never wanted to do.
Romance life, now say they be. 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 Ebela makuwa, wame, wame. Ebela makuwa, wame, wame. Every day struggle, struggle. Every day suffer, suffer. Every day plenty wahala just to survive. This life will make me fair. This life will make me fair. This world is a mystery. Not be how you plan them. It be. Akwako was here. Romance life, now say they be. Romance life, now say
Azuki, just hold on. Wait.
So you want to play on?
No, Azuki, please. I beg you, please.
Just like your brother did.
No, please, be cool.
HSO, I want to leave town with my money, isn't it?
No, I don't. I'm your friend, Biko. I'm your friend. I beg you, please. I beg you, Biko.
After all my money to you,
Azubike, it's not what you think. I swear it's not what you think. I am begging you, please. I am your friend, remember? You're a very good friend. Please. Azubike. Azu!
We want to turn around, but it not be like this. We want to turn around, but it not be like this. We want to turn around, but it not be like this. We want to turn around, but it not be like this. Ezego jipakashi because no one the capacity. Ezego butegike because no one moral. Dube mujipedo. Try organe blessing and many. Obalo Malaysia because no one the capacity. Ezego butegike because no one moral. Abakagega. Try organe blessing and many. Jai, if I go neme, hey, money is free to me. Hey, if I go neme, hey, life is useless without money. Jai. What do you can see? You are a ego. What do you can see? Chicken as ego. Yes, ego. Jalawe. Stay boutique. Over no boy is ego. Yes, ego. I can never forget. Over no boy is ego. Yes, ego. I can never forget. I suffer to make this money. You gotta go. No one should tell me how to spend the money. It is my as I go. We want to turn around, but it not be like this. As I go. We want to turn around, but it not be like this. As I go. As I go. We want to turn around, but it not be like this. As I go. We want to turn around, but it not be like this. As I go. As I go. As I go, jipakashi. Because no one the capacity. As I go, butegike. Because no one moral. Dube mujipedo. Try organe blessing and many. Obalo Malaysia. Because no one the capacity. Ezego butegike. Because no one moral. Abakagega. Try organe blessing and many. Jai, if I go neme, hey.